Hi, I'm Lesley Logan, and today we're going to do short box side to side here on top of your spine corrector.
Welcome to OnlinePilatesClasses.com, the most supportive Pilates loving community across the globe. Enjoy new weekly classes from our amazing teachers. Download the OnlinePilatesClasses.com app today.
So the spine corrector is not where you would probably do your short box series. Most people would learn it on the ladder barrel and then do it on the reformer. But I really do love, in cases of no ladder barrel, to use the spine corrector to teach it before you're like really doing it on the short box on the reformer, because it's a tendency to use your legs incorrectly on the reformer and kind of hang off of the strap, where when you practice with the barrel, it gives you some really amazing feedback, especially on the round and the tree, which will be in other videos, but also on how to use your legs on the reformer. So if you have access to the ladder barrel, you'll do it there. We actually have all of these exercises on the short box for the ladder barrel. And we also have them here in case you don't have access to one. And I put all of them in the OnlinePilatesClasses.com barrels flashcards so that you can truly see how many ways you can use your spine corrector, your ladder barrel, your small barrel, your C-shaper to support your Pilates practice. So if you have that deck, thank you so much. Now let's talk about the side to side. So you would typically do it from your flat back, so you'd already be set up, but you're sitting on top of the apex. Feet are pushing down and energetically pulling back. Arms are up, pulling on this bar, shoulders are out of your ears. And then I'm just going to lift up really tall and go up and over to one side and up and over to one side, the other side, right? So I'm just going to turn front ways just for a second so you can kind of see what's happening here. We're not doing this, obviously. Now I'm falling off of my hump, but so it's very dramatic facing this way. But you're not trying to slide your ribs to the side. You want to stand tall and then go over. Stand tall and then go over. So you're lifting the ribs up while keeping weight evenly on both sit bones. Okay. So when we have the barrel underneath our hips, I can feel if I shift my weight lighter on one side over the other. And so it's not super big. I'm not going down. I'm going up and reaching over and up and reaching over. And when you do it right, it feels so good in here. So it's really a lot of fun, but it's a challenge. And it's one of those ones where you're like, am I doing it right? Am I doing enough? And then we try to go too big. And that's when you know I went too big. So check it out, then play with it on your reformer practice or go into twist and reach. If you have questions about this exercise or any exercise, feel free to put in the comments below. We answer our questions that you ask us here on YouTube on Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific time. And if you're an OPC member, you can ask us in our members only community, which you can access on our app. So check us out at onlinepilatesclasses.com/YouTube. Have an amazing day.